Good Tuesday afternoon to you. Roger Hill of Weathering Heights, VELCO Weather Hazards weather forecaster. This weather video is driven by 802cars.com, representing 802 Toyota, Twin Cities Subaru, 802 Honda, all located off of exit 7 on Interstate 89. Rain is pushing in. You're seeing current temperatures, and both stations have made it all the way in, almost into the Northeast Kingdom, so rain has technically spread into the region. Also, with the current temperature setup, you can see that we've had a few 70s in northern Champlain Valley. Those are getting cooled off by incoming rain as we speak. Let's take a look at the computer modeling. So this is the HREF model, and you can see that precipitation hour by hour continues to move across Vermont. Nothing really especially heavy, but probably more than a quarter of an inch, and in some cases maybe around a half inch up in the higher parts of the Green Mountains. That then moves on out and overnight, and we're looking at just a little bit of scattered showers during the day tomorrow, and then they move on out. Looks like these are going to be very hit and miss, and they kick out pretty quickly, and we should see sunshine on either side of that in the morning hours and then later in the afternoon during the day on Wednesday. Okay, so this is valid at 2 o'clock. That would be 8 o'clock this evening, the 6-hour panels of the European. You can see precipitation then gets out of Vermont and say bye for a little while until that next little batch moves in. That's going to be more like, again, midday or early afternoon, and it moves on out too. Then we get into dry weather as high pressure builds in for a couple very nice days, Thursday and Friday. It looks like we get into some warmer air, kind of working its way all the way around this ridge of higher pressure and kind of coming at us from the northwest. And typically that can mean severe weather in our summer, our warm season. And so here comes the first noticeable little bits and pieces of showers. This comes in as early as Friday evening. I don't think it's going to be thunderstorms, but showers do move in, and it looks like mainly scattered shower and thunderstorm activity as we get into basically during the day on Saturday as well as Sunday. Those are the 2 days we're going to have to watch. Now notice also this is a big feed of tropical moisture. This is our potential tropical system, tropical cyclone that then comes ashore. It's just going to rain itself to smithereens, I guess. And some of that moisture tries to make run at us from time to time, but it's mostly held to the south, as most of our incoming weather is going to be coming in from the Great Lakes and actually Canada. GFS ensemble centered on Burlington shows that we get this shower activity, that second little uptick during midday tomorrow, and then dry weather to follow, and then we're back into shower and thunderstorm activity at that point in time. And the arrival looks like it could be as early as somewhere mid to late evening on Friday. However, thunderstorms look like more or less Saturday and into the day on Sunday. Here's the total amount of QPF from the Weather Prediction Center, 7-day totals here. You can see it running about 1.5, and that does include as to what's falling today, so that's added to that. You can see where the main heavy rainfall is going to be. All the computer models are pretty much on top of this with excessive rainfall across the southeast U.S., especially Florida. Okay, shifting to temperature at the GFS ensemble. You can see our warmer day here. That's going to happen one of the warmer days on Wednesday. We cool off a little bit on Thursday, cooler conditions, and then we warm back up around 80 degrees. And it looks like we're indicating 80 degrees on Saturday as well. So Friday and Saturday do warm up. A lot more humidity is injected into the system here along about Friday night. And that is what's going to interact and cause some shower and thunderstorm activity over the weekend. So this is the next 5 days temperature anomaly, and we're running about 3 degrees above normal. And 3 days later, still about 3 to 6 degrees above normal. Most of the country is above normal except the west coast. Keeping a watch on where excessive warmth and coolness is, you can see the northeastern part of Canada is relatively cool. Very much warmer. Some of this warmth that's going to be circulating in, by the way, coming in this weekend, and we're not going to see this cool down here. For the world, running about 3/10 of degrees Celsius. Northern hemisphere at 6/10 above normal. Southern hemisphere is down to just 1/10 above normal. The Arctic 8/10 of an inch, and they're indicating that they're going to see a massive warm-up. Could be problems. Antarctica about 6/10 of a degree below normal now, and the tropics about 0.3 of a degree above normal. I showed you the excessive rainfall, and you can see that we have a disturbance here that's off Belize, and it's going to take a track just about due north and then make a little bit of a left turn. So this area is prone for about a 40% chance of cyclone formation over the next 5 days. That's it from here, Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. Thanks for watching.